K, X speeds. Canarus, Texas, chill. What the fuck? Nasty. Oh shit, they moved at the same time. Fuck the line! Canarus! Last one, Matt! Let's go! Dr. K! Last one, BC boy! That was crazy! Canarus, last round! Oh shit. Oh, one more. One more round, Canarus. How a nice six steps. How a nice six steps. How a nice six steps. Shit. Damn, y'all gotta rewatch that one when the footage goes up. Wow. Damn. My judges are tired of pointing their arms and shit. On the count of three, my judges. 1, 2, 3. Dr. K takes it. Shout out to Canarus for coming out from Texas, bro.